used in piano. The piano is a masterpiece of mathematical precision, where sound, frequency, and geometry come together to create beautiful melodies. Whether it's tuning, key spacing, or harmonic overtones, mathematics governs every aspect of this instrument. Let's explore the role of math in the piano. Pianos use math in musical scales and frequency ratios. The notes on a piano follow a logarithmic scale, with each octave doubling the frequency of the previous one. The standard tuning system, known as equal temperament, divides an octave into 12 semitones using the mathematical ratio 21, 122, 112, 21, 12. String length and tension. The pitch of each note is controlled by the length, thickness, and tension of its string. Mathematicians and piano makers use equations from wave mechanics to determine the exact specifications needed for each key to produce the right frequency. Key spacing and geometry. The arrangement of the piano's keys follows a precise pattern, ensuring ease of playability. The width of keys and the spacing between them are carefully measured to allow for comfortable finger placement while maintaining the correct note intervals. Resonance and overtones. When a key is struck, the vibrations produce harmonic overtones, following mathematical principles of wave interference. The soundboard of the piano is designed using geometric principles to enhance resonance and amplify sound. Tuning and beat frequencies. Piano tuning relies on mathematical calculations of beat frequencies, small differences in pitch between notes that create a wavering sound. This method ensures that the piano is in tune across all keys. Mathematical principles applied. Logarithmic frequency ratios create the 12-tone equal temperament scale. Wave mechanics and string vibrations determine the correct string length and tension for each note. Geometric spacing of keys ensures proper finger placement and playability. From tuning to string mechanics, mathematics plays a vital role in shaping the piano's sound, making it one of the most mathematically intricate musical instruments.